Good job, girls. You girls ready to go outside, right? Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Y'all did a wonderful job.
Okay.
Ready to ride your bike, Danica?
Now I'm going to put my bike outside.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this, girls.
Okay. I cannot switch it. It's wobbling. This bike is wobbling.
Hold it tight. Hold it. Beautiful. Bring yours over here, Jayda. Hold it, Jayda. You're gonna hurt yourself. You have to hold it. Good job, Danica. I know. Let me help you.
I want to help Jayda.
We're just gonna ride over here on the sidewalk. Okay? We're not going in the streets.
Daddy, we're going to the playground only.
We're not going to the playground today. We're just gonna ride our bikes over here, okay?
Oh.
Okay, JJ?
We cannot ride our bike too far away.
We're not going too far away.
Like, because we're gonna get lost.
It's not like we're gonna get lost. We're just not going too far away today. We're just gonna ride our bike over here, right in front of a house. Okay? But next time, we're gonna go far away. We're gonna go on the playground next time, okay, Jayda? Come on, Jayda, come over here. Come over here. You ready, Danica? Ready to ride your bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Danica, you go first. Get on your bike.
I don't know how to do this.
Yes, you know how to do it. Jayda, come over here. Danica's gonna ride the bike first, okay?
I cannot do it.
Yes, you can.
I cannot do this.
I showed you how to ride the bike.
Hold my bike.
Wait, let Danica start first. Danica's gonna go first, then you'll be next, okay?
I cannot do this.
Yes, you can, beautiful. You can do it.
Daddy, hold my bike.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You have to ride it. Let me push you real quick.
It's too hard.
It's not so hard. Let me push you. Go ahead. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Go ahead. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. It's not so hard. Go ahead. Keep going. Jayda, come over here. You're too far. Don't go in the streets, okay? Keep going, Danica. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. See, you riding your bike. Keep going. Keep going. Let me push you a little bit. You need a little push, okay?
I just stopped.
You just got stuck. Keep going. Keep going. It's hard.
Yeah, start again.
Just turn back around. Let's turn back around.
See that?
You got it, Danica. Keep going. Keep going, beautiful. You got it. You stuck? Go help Danica, Jayda. Go help Danica. Just push Danica a little bit. She needs a little push. Go ahead and push Danica. Good job.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah.
Yeah, let it go.
Keep going, Danica. Keep going. Keep going, beautiful. You got this.
I just do it hard.
This is Danica's first time riding a bike. In the streets. Actually, on the sidewalk. You're not in the streets yet. You're on the sidewalk. Come. Let's go, beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Let's turn back around. We're going to turn back around, okay? Yeah, we're going to go back over there. You almost fell. You almost fell. Let's turn back around, okay? Go ahead and push Danica, Jayda. Go ahead. Give her a little push. Push her a little bit.
I cannot turn around.
Go ahead and push her.
I cannot turn around.
You got it. Okay. Good job. Keep going. Keep pushing, Danica, Jayda. Good job. So, Danica, what do you think about your first ride in the middle of the streets today?
From this way and this way.
Okay, what do you think? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah.
That's good.
But I cannot do it in the streets.
You want to go in the streets?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it? Okay, let's go in the streets.
I'm gonna try it in the streets.
Okay. So we're not gonna be in the sidewalk anymore. We're gonna be in the streets, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, let's go in the streets. Let's go. So Danica is gonna start riding a bike in the middle of the streets now. She was on the sidewalk, but now she's going in the streets. You ready, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Slowly. Slowly.
Old one.
Go ahead and push Jayda. Push Danica, Jayda. Go ahead and push Danica.
Yeah, go faster. Don't go faster.
Don't go fast. Don't go too fast. Just let it go, Jayda.
Yeah, let it go. Let it go. Jayda.
Okay, but you have to. Yeah, you have to go. Pedale. Go.
Dad, almost finished. Stop pushing me.
Okay, leave her alone now. Don't push her anymore. Okay, keep going, Danica. Let me push you. Let me give you a little push. Okay, keep going. Keep going. You got it. Keep going, beautiful.
I almost go close to the car.
You got this. Come on. You're enjoying that ride. You're enjoying your ride, Danica. You're in the streets now.
We cannot do it.
Yes, you can. Go ahead. Keep going. What you doing, Jayda? Okay. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going.
I'm gonna go straight to the car. Now you only go faster.
You went too fast. Okay, keep going. Keep going. You got it. You want to turn back around? Let's turn back around. Let's turn back around.
No.
Why?
We gotta go this way, please. Okay, you
But
just...
we're far away now. We're too far from our house now. You leave all the way down there. When you all the way up here. Let's turn back around for now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, just get up.
You didn't have to get down. Okay. You got it. You got this. Come on, Jayda. Car's coming. Come on. Come on. We're going back down, okay? Push Danica a little bit. Just a little push. You got it? Okay. Keep going. Keep going, Danica. You got this. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You got it.
I'm gonna go straight to the car.
Yeah, go straight. Not to the car. We're gonna go straight down, okay? Let's go.
I'm gonna go this way.
Keep going, beautiful. You got this.
I almost got this.
What do you think about your ride? You're riding down the street now.
Yeah.
You're a big girl now, huh? I see you, girl. When you gonna show Jayda how to ride the bike?
I'm gonna put Jayda.
You gonna help Jayda out?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Good job. Proud of you. What are you doing, Jayda? What are you doing? Keep going, Danica. You got this. Keep going. Keep going. She's so happy. Whoa. The people on YouTube. Your YouTube friends. What do you want? Why do you want to tell them?
I just go to the street now.
Uh-huh.
And go cross
Uh-huh.
to the street.
You riding your bike in the middle of the streets now?
No.
What do you mean no? Just because it's not your turn yet? You said no? Are you tired already?
No.
Okay.
I'm not tired.
So now it's Jayda's turn.
Really?
It's Jayda's turn now, yeah.
Okay, now
Jayda, your turn. Come on. Let's go get your bike. Let's go get your bike. Come on.
Fine.
Your turn.
Fine.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm going to get a book.
You got to go this way, Jayda. You have to go this way. Keep going. You see the girl? You see her? She's riding a bike. Look. That's how I want you to be. That's what I want you to do.
Okay.
Soon and very soon, okay, girls? Let's go. Keep pushing, Jayda. You got this, Jayda.
Gotta go.
You got this. It's your turn, girl. Yeah.
You didn't do it. You didn't do it.
You for pedal beka now.
Can I do it?
Keep going. Keep going. Go. Go. Go, Jayda. Go, Jayda. You got this. Go, Jayda.
Dada, push me.
She's pushing you. Look at Danica helping Jayda out a white bike in the middle of the streets. Good job. Good job, girls. I'm proud of y'all. I'm proud of you, girls. Look at Danica and Jayda. Oh, Jayda fell. Jayda, she didn't push you. You just fell on the bike.
Yeah, because you did it right on your feet.
Yeah, she didn't push you, Jayda. Come on.
That's because you did it right
Come
on
on.
your feet.
Get back on the bike. Get back.
Yeah, that's because you did it right
Get
on
back,
your
Jayda.
feet. That's because you did it right on your feet like this.
Yeah. Come on, Jayda. You got this.
Can you help me?
Okay, I'm gonna help you. You got it, Danica. You got it. You got this. Don't push her too hard. Go this way, Jayda. Go this way. This way. This way. You got this. Good job, beautiful. Good job. Good job. I'm proud of you, girls. Proud of you, Jayda.
No, not this.
This way, Jayda. You come this way. You're in control of the bike. You have to turn this way. You have to turn your bike this way, okay? Come on. Keep going. Keep going. You go this way, Jayda. Turn this way.
I cannot do it.
Turn this way, Jayda. You have to turn this way. Okay? But you're doing a good job, sweetie. I'm proud of you. Good job, Jayda. You did it. You did it, girl.
For watching, subscribe, and more videos.
That was good, girls. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs down.
It's not thumbs down, it's thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Beautiful.